Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y19 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So to get started you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now taking off the case, you'll find, there we go, the tray on the top left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding right now. I'm going to push it in and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray you do have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. I'm going to be using just a SIM card. I don't have an SD card that I can plop in here, but if you did, you can just put it in here. When it comes onto the SIM card, you can obviously occupy both of these trays, or if you're planning to use just one SIM card, you can just plop it on either one of those. It won't really matter. From there, insert it back into your device, though you want to do it carefully. There's nothing holding these cards in place, so they could kind of get loose out of its position, and if the tray isn't going in easily, take it out, make sure that everything is still in place. Once you insert it, the card should start working right away. And as you can see, it's telling me to verify my SIM card pin, so I'm going to do that right now, like so, and voila, that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.